Welcome in today's episode. I just want to tell you, it's going to be a very quick episode, and I just want to tell you that entire market, as you can see, it's kind of bearish. Plenty of red information boards, scary, fear, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And then like a housing crash in the US, unemployment, this and that, this and that. But I want to show you today that I think the movement will be up, and we're going to see new all-time high on S&P, and then the severe crash will come. I'm going to show you the data, which is, since the last 3 cycles, looks the same. And how and what projects could be making a good opportunity in the next bull run, because it's about the technology and the approach to be in something, something fresh. So let's go. Hello everyone, welcome, and let's start. What I want to tell you is that this is not financial advice. Everything we're gonna say here is just my own opinion, so you shouldn't supposed to take it too deeply, okay? I'm still learning, I'm still studying these markets, so I'm not some sort of financial advisor, but mapping and all my practice since mapping value, it's getting really good effects. So let's go. So today, Bitcoin. I think we are going now down to the level of, let's say, 26,000 or 25,000 if we're going to pass this 26,000. If at 26,000 we're going to reverse, it is a chance that we have a A, B, C, and then we can go to 28, which I'm going to show you then that it's still this possibility exists. So on our price levels, we can see that we lost 27 again. Look, 27 again. So another time, I think another time when we're going to try, it's going to be nice. But look at this. Every time we failed, we slam into 25, 25 and a half. That's what I'm counting is going to be there because it's a golden pocket. And now we are failing again. That's why I think we're going to go in this section. Okay, that doesn't matter what we're going to be here. But then I think we're going to start going up. Okay, so it's only a matter of, let's say, 2 days maybe. So let's go. I'm not going to show much of the coins because they are looking the same. If Bitcoin falls, everything falls. But what I want to show you is the S&P, federal funding rate and S&P. Look what I have found. Look what I have found. So when we're gonna take federal funding rate, okay. We will, 1 second. I'm just going to remove this, and this. Okay. We will have something like that. And then if we're going to add S&P, look, I found a pattern which is very interesting. So if we're going to take a look at S&P, it's the orange one, amber line. And this is the federal funding rate. So what the Fed is at the moment is keeping there. If we will, maybe that's just too big. Okay. Look, we have a higher high and higher high. We have a higher high and higher high. In 2018, we had a higher high or this higher high, whatever. And now we don't have higher high. So I think we could go up. Somebody say, well, why? Look, Fed is going sideways. We have this combination, then stocks are falling, Fed is helping. Stocks, higher high, Fed is helping, stocks are falling. Fed sideways, higher high, Fed is helping, pump, stocks are falling. So in all, since 2000, we have this higher high combination, okay? But since 2018, we have higher high plus a pump at the end, this pump when we should just go down, and then we rapidly went down. So at the moment, everyone is counting that, oh, well, S&P will fall, we're going like this. You can see on the Twitter, like all these kind of images that, you know, like prices going like this, and then, and it's going to be a huge surprise for everyone if we will achieve new all-time high. Funny, huh? That's how it looks like, okay? So I'm counting on this. And if we're gonna take a look at S&P itself, okay, S&P itself, we have here a nice bounce from, one second, we have a nice bounce from our golden pocket, okay? We are at this consolidation level, I think, like that. And I think we can go A, B, C here because we have a VWAP plus a gap here, which I think could be filled up. And then we're gonna reverse, and then we could go up. Okay, so at the moment I'm still counting it's gonna kind of go down. Like a Bitcoin will go down to 25.5. I would kind of say so, if not 26. And then we will have distraction. If you're gonna see pump, and you're gonna see that S&P is going up, remember about this scenario about higher high, because then it will make it could be real. And like other red news which is coming to US, that's why I'm thinking that everyone is thinking bearish, end of the world, oh my god. Look, big three car makers will probably go on strike. Unions, yeah, in the big car makers will go on strike. And remember that these car makers, it's not only them who will suffer. Every connected supplier will suffer as well. So let's say we have a General Motors. General Motors is using transportation, is using some sort of part suppliers, is using some sort of, I don't know, food suppliers, is using electrical something suppliers, okay? They have the connections as well, okay? And their own. So if this one stops, it's parking, these will park their operation as well. And these people usually, they are small companies, medium-sized companies, which are connected to small companies. And from there, we can have a one episode of the Great Fall, okay? The Great Fall, which will be an episode for allowing Fed to drop the interest rates, and up we go, okay? Suppliers, that's why before Bitcoin will have halving, if this big drop in a Fed rates will be successful, Bitcoin could go up before halving to new all-time high even. Because remember, TradFi is here. Our cycle could be corrupted. So these suppliers are not getting the same results, okay? And some people, okay, Michigan-based car parts maker may lay off nearly 300 employees if it closes its facility temporarily due to strikes, according to work adjustment and whatever notification. So you see, everything is connected. Now, China is selling treasuries now, okay? It is the same thing. China doesn't have any dollars. And like I said before, China needs dollars for their operations. That's why they are selling everything, okay? Another economy which will suffer, and the same thing, US will suffer. Remember, Chinese economy supports supply with the low inflation goods to US. The only time US economy could go down is when using Chinese products. Then people could have a work in stores and business could be still running. But if they're gonna count that they're gonna make everything in the US, come on, they need these lower prices, lower interest rate, lower inflation goods. Yeah, as you see, not many coins are up. This is only just a probably pump or something. Most of these coins are going down with Bitcoin. So watch the Bitcoin as I have shown you. Now let's go back to the bots. Okay, MBot, like I was saying yesterday, Moonbot doesn't have any special thing. They are advertising him here like copy trading, like approving contracts, rook pull detector, sniper functions. Everything is there already, like on Maestro. Like Unibot has also the same thing. However, the team has KYC, and that's different. Okay, team has KYC, and I reckon these bots, if we can take a look at them, if we can take a look at them, these bots, they have very small market caps, could be runners of the next bull market, because the previous bull market was DeFi, then it was farming, typical farming, then we had a what, DEXs or something like this, then we had I don't know, metaverse, yeah, and now we need something new. So we can begin from interoperability, that's one, so multi-chain, and from trading bots. The trading bots, I don't know did you use them, but they are very, very handy. Let's say you have your own bot, you connected the wallet to it, it's a Telegram trading bot, and you can bypass the front running in the purchase. So let's say if you want to buy MBOT on Uniswap, someone will sell you we're going to front run you and sell you his bag. So for the price will be pumped, you will buy for the slippage 5%, for example, and somebody will earn 5% on you. But with MaestroBot, you won't gonna have that thing. And the same thing with other bots. So thanks to the bots, we will have a functionality, DEX functionality with central exchanges. That's what it is. And I think it's gonna be super big. And Unibot is preparing full automatic user guide interface. That's gonna be big. That's gonna be big. So I am changing my portfolio. I'm looking at MBOT. I'm looking at MEV. Okay, this is what I was saying yesterday, and I'm looking at Unibot, and I hope Unibot will go to $30 because at the moment everyone is waiting. Slowly, we have a divergence, so watch out because it could pump because they are preparing upgrades for different chains and for Friends Tech. They have the interface as well to trade there. So that's going to be big. That's going to be super big. And that's the new technology. So remember Solana back then? Solana from nothing went to $160 if I remember. Yeah, that's something. AWACS, the same thing. New technology, cross-bordering, new whatever. And I was showing this Favor app. It's the social media Web 3.0 app on Swissborg. There was a launch only on Swissborg. They opened these public vaults ready for investment, and it's almost full. It's almost gone. So I don't know. You can try this thing. Link for Swissborg is in the comments. Yeah, in description. But it could be too late. Swissborg's pre-sales are really, really, really going fast. They are high quality. So this, what I was just only to show you. Remember, higher high on S&P and new technology bots as a new market runners. See ya.